Okay, dear students, now we are seeing about megalithic burial types. Okay, so now we are going portcullis. So portcullis are meaning portcullis are holes found in the cistern dolmens on one side. Okay, they may have acted as the entrance to the burials. There is a view that they were meant for the movement of the soul or spirit. So, portcullis means are coals found in the cyst and dolmens on one side. So, system means a tomb and dolmens means table like one stone structure were erected as burial monuments. Okay, they may have acted and peoples and only believed may have acted as the entrance to the burials. There is a view that they were meant for the movement of the soul or spirit. ஸோ இந்த பீப்புள் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்கன்னு சொன்னால் ஷோல் அந்த இறந்ததுக்கப்புறம் அந்த ஆன்மா உள்ளே வந்து வெளியில் போகிறதுக்கு ஒரு கோல் ஓப்பன் பண்ணுறாங்க. அதுதான் என்ன சொன்னால் போர்ட் கோல்ஸ். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் menhirs. And menhir means may have been erected for the heroes in the Stone Age. And a heroic Stone Age, the tradition of hero stones might have begun in the Iron Age even before. ஸோ வீர மரணம் அடைந்தவங்களுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டோன் பில்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. அந்த பில்ட் அந்த ஸ்டோன் ஏஜ் தான் என்னன்னு சொன்னால் ஹீரோயிக் ஸ்டோன்ஸ். ஸோ menhirs இஸ் ஆல்சோ known as heroic stones. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் pastoralism. The people in the Iron Age practiced agriculture, domesticated cattle and sheep. Some of the groups were still hunting and gathering. Okay, agriculture, cattle rearing, and some of the groups of peoples still hunting and gathering. Next, millets and rice cultivated. Irrigation management developed in this period. Okay, so water is available. That place is fertile water and cultivated more crops. Okay, since many of the megalithic sites are found near the rivers and tanks in the deltaic regions, irrigation as a technology had developed. So that regions available water. So irrigation as a technology had developed. Evidence of rice is seen in megalithic sites like Adichanallur. So this evidence found in Adichanallur in Thuthukudi district and Porundal near Palani. Next one, Iron Age society and polity. The Iron Age society had farming communities, pastoralists and hunting and gatherers. Craft specialists, botters and blacksmith were the professional during this period. So the Iron Age society had farming agriculture communities, pastoralists and cattle rearing, hunting, gatherers. Craft specialist, botters and blacksmith. Blacksmith means iron making. Iron makers were the professional during this period. Okay, the society had several groups of peoples having the size of burials and the difference found in the burial goods suggest the existence of numerous social groups and their diverse practices. Some of them seem to have had organized chiefdoms, cattle rearing, cattle lifting leading to wars and enroachment and expansion of territories had also started take place in this period. So this period and different types of rulers and many rulers expansion of territories. Okay, next one, pottery. Pottery is an important evidence found in the archaeological site. So pottery is an important evidence found in the archaeological site. The Iron Age and Sangam Age people used the black and red colors to make blackware and redware pottery. Okay, so Iron Age and Sangam Age people maximum used potteries. So potteries were used for cooking, water storage and dining purpose. Potteries were used for cooking and water storage and dining purposes. The black and redware pottery has a black inside. So இந்த மண்பானைகள் எந்த மாதிரி இருக்குன்னா and inside black color and outside red color. So with lustrous surfaces. So outside is very bright and shining surfaces. Okay, next one, iron technology and metal tools. The megalithic burials have abundant iron object placed in the burials as grave goods. Megalithic burials have abundant means excess iron object placed in the burials as grave, and grave means tomb goods. So these times weapons such as swords and daggers. Swords means wall. Daggers means short point knife useful as a weapons. Okay. Next one, axes and kissel. Kissel means and steel edges to tool for shaping stone. Okay. Lamp, vilakku. Next, tripod stands means stool making 3 legs. And tripod means முக்காலி அப்படின்னு சொல்லுது, அதாவது ஸ்டூல் 3 legs and stool with 3 legs, and tripod means stool with 3 legs. Okay, also found. Some of these objects were hafted to wooden or bone or horn handles had used. Okay, some of the object and wooden, bone and horn handles used. The iron tools were used for agriculture, hunting, gathering. The iron tools and used for agriculture, hunting, gathering and the battlefield. ஓகேம்மா, ஸோ அக்ரிகல்ச்சருக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுறது ஹேண்ட் ஆக்ஸ் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம், மண்வெட்டி யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஹண்டிங் அண்ட் கேதரிங். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு பேட்டில் ஃபீல்டு. ஓகே, bronze bowls, vessels and stylish finials decorated with animals and birds. So these times and handcraft many more things and stylish made of bronze mirrors, முகம் பார்க்கக்கூடிய கண்ணாடி. Next bells have been found in this time. Okay, thank you.